Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to manage your Google ad settings for more control over the ads you see. First, open your browser and go to adsettings.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to manage. This page controls all personalized ads linked to your account. At the top of the page, you'll see a switch for ad personalization. Turn this off if you want Google to stop using your activity to tailor ads. If you leave it on, you'll get more relevant ads, but Google will use your browsing and app activity to personalize them. Scroll down to view your ad topics. These are categories Google thinks you're interested in based on your activity. Tap any topic to remove it if you don't want ads related to it. You can remove as many as you want to customize the ads you see. Next, scroll to How your ads are personalized. Here you can manage the data Google uses, such as your age, your gender, your YouTube activity, your Google search activity. Tap each section and choose whether Google can use that information for ads. Google also lets you limit ads about sensitive categories like alcohol, gambling, parenting, dating, weight loss. Tap any category and choose fewer ads to reduce how often you see them. And that's it. Now you know how to fully control your Google ad settings.